how to make Amazon Associates offsite commissions. Amazon Associates is the main account you sign up for, and within that account are 2 separate programs you can join, both of which allow you to make offsite commissions. This is when someone visits Amazon through your link and buys something within 24 hours. It doesn't even have to be the product you initially recommended. As long as they use your link, you'll get a commission on whatever they buy within that session. With affiliate links, you're only able to send people directly to a product's listing, whereas with influencer links, you can send traffic to your own custom storefront to see more of your content, or they can go directly to a curated idea list that has multiple products within it. To show you how to get these links, you can grab these right on the product page that you're wanting to promote. At the top here, you'll be able to generate a text-based link, an image-based link, or a combination of both to get your influencer links from either your storefront homepage or from one of your curated idea list. You can simply copy and share the link this way.